Hello friends and followers. Well, here's the Paragon before me again. It's still not working quite right, but I took the major loop board out, and as you can see, I can see light through those holes in the coils in the VCOs, so that means that those slugs are out, which is good. I ordered a IF board or a front end board for a Omni 6 that should have slugs in it that I can put in this board. So that's the plan here. That was like 75 bucks or something. Not pleased about that, but there's no telling how long it would take to find one of these boards. So at any rate, I'll wait for that to come in and replace the slugs. So this top coil here was all, the coil housing was all hacked up. I just spent time rebending it, getting it back. Somebody must have tried to get it off or something, I don't know. And I went through the solder joints here a second time for these two bands because those weren't working quite right. And I also replaced the charge pump capacitor, which is this one here with a 1 UF, that one right there. There's the charge pump right there. This capacitor here basically discharges. It's a .47, and I thought, well, it's a long shot, but maybe that's malfunctioning, but it didn't make any difference. So that's about it. Put this board back in, put the radio aside, and wait for more parts. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.